Maintaining your Dremel tool is essential for ensuring its longevity and optimal performance. Regular cleaning not only keeps the tool running smoothly, but also helps prevent debris buildup that can cause overheating or damage the internal components. Cleaning your Dremel doesn't have to be complicated, but it does require a careful, step-by-step approach. Let's walk through the process together. First and foremost, always make sure your Dremel tool is unplugged from any power source before you begin cleaning. If you're using a cordless model, remove the battery. Safety should always come first, and you never want the tool to accidentally power on while you're handling it. Start by removing any accessory that's attached to the tool, such as grinding stones, cutting wheels, or sanding drums. Set these aside for separate cleaning. These attachments often accumulate dust and debris during use, so it's a good idea to give them individual attention as well. Next, take a soft, dry brush. An old toothbrush works well, and gently scrub the exterior of the tool. Focus on the vents and crevices where dust tends to accumulate. Be thorough but gentle, as you don't want to push debris further inside. This step helps remove the bulk of the dust and particles that collect during normal operation. Now, turn your attention to the collet and collet nut, which is where accessories attach to the tool. Unscrew the collet nut and remove the collet itself. You might notice metal shavings or dust in this area. Use your brush or a can of compressed air to dislodge and remove any buildup. Keeping this area clean is important for ensuring accessories fit snugly and operate safely. For the body of the tool, a slightly damp cloth can be used to wipe away any stubborn grime or residue. Avoid using solvents or harsh chemicals, as these can damage the housing of your Dremel. If you encounter sticky residue, a mild dish soap diluted in water can help. Be sure to wring out the cloth thoroughly so that no excess moisture drips into the tool's interior. If your Dremel has removable brushes, which are part of the motor assembly, now is a good time to check them. These brushes conduct electricity to the motor and wear down over time. Refer to your owner's manual to locate the brush caps. Unscrew the caps and gently slide out the brushes. If they appear worn or are less than a 1/4 inch long, it's time to replace them. Otherwise, use a dry cloth to wipe away any dust before reinserting them. The ventilation slots on your Dremel are crucial for cooling the motor during use. Over time, these slots can become clogged with dust, which restricts airflow. Use compressed air to blow out any debris, holding the tool so the dust can escape easily. If you don't have compressed air, a small brush or even a toothpick can help clear the vents, but be careful not to push debris further inside. Don't forget about the accessories you set aside earlier. Depending on the type, you may be able to clean them with a brush, cloth, or a quick rinse in water. Just make sure they are completely dry before reattaching them to the tool. Once everything is clean and dry, reassemble your Dremel, making sure all parts are properly secured. Plug it in or reinsert the battery and give it a quick test run to ensure it's operating smoothly. By following these steps regularly, you'll help extend the life of your Dremel tool and keep it performing at its best, ready for your next project. Remember, a little maintenance goes a long way in protecting your investment and ensuring safe, effective operation every time you use your tool.